All right, today we're doing a no start at times on a Freightliner Cascadia. And today I'm proving to the customer that right now I can't find a problem with this truck. Because every time I hit this key, the truck is started. So I got two things up here that let us know that the truck is starting. First, I got the computer program. And you see ignition, ACC, ignition, and crank. So every time that the engine turns over, the crank should light up. And also I have the voltage showing that's going to basically this wire. So I'm checking it two ways, through the wire and through the computer. So here's our first start. Key on. But you seen the voltage. Truck is starting. Back off. Truck is starting. Seen the green that time. Let's try it again. Truck is starting. Now it's the third time in a row that this truck is started, but I've been doing this all morning, ladies and gentlemen. This ain't the first time, just letting y'all know. So here we go again. Truck is starting. Green, vote. All right, thank you. So I'm gonna see.